A tiny clockmaker in a bustling town accidentally sneezes as he capes a priceless bell, triggering a citywide chorus of curious reactions. Citizens misinterpret the sneeze as a prophetic signal and synchronize their daily routines to the quirky rattle of his workshop gear. The mayor, convinced of fortune, declares a festival of punctuality where every citizen must arrive precisely when the clock chiming begins. But the sneeze repeats, revealing the clockwork mechanism is faulty, causing hilariously punctual chaos as everyone scrambles to stay on beat. In the end, the town learns that timing is funny when shared, not dictated by one person's sneeze, and repairs the clock to embrace ordinary, delightful delays.